Okay, everyone, tomorrow is moving day. I am just starting to pack. Here we go. All right, time for lunch break. You can see the floor. We're getting there. So I already know we have absolutely way too much stuff for where we're moving. But until I have all my stuff together, I can't pick what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. So we're gonna just pack it all up and see how things go. How is this all going to fit? How? All right, Annie and I are on our way to Kentucky. Dylan and Jack are in Dylan's truck, and we're all packed up, as you can see, and we're ready to go. We just took our time this morning. We left around like probably 12:30. We packed everything up, and we're heading there. Home sweet home! The last full moon of 2020. All right, we made it. We're both here. We have the solar on, got the fire going, and we're just probably not gonna unpack tonight. We'll just start tomorrow morning. It feels so warm this morning. I don't know why. It's supposed to be 57 today. It says it's only 37, but it feels so warm. I am about to turn the solar panels on. All right, so we're starting to unpack, but it's kind of stressful because we have nowhere to put anything because we don't have any shelves or anything done. So it's just gonna be a big pile for now, and then we have to go to our storage and get the rest of our stuff and add to the pile. I just knocked this box over, and of course it's the box of pottery that I made, and I broke a bunch. Saying goodbye. Huh?
Check it. Now, would you rather have the end that looks like this facing out, and the face like this facing out?
Here she is. She's not pushed in all the way, obviously, because that drywall's in the way. We need the bolts to put in this piece that'll stabilize it from rocking back and forth. Here's some of the pottery I brought. My cups, my diffuser. This is all pottery that I've made. I broke 2 of these cups. There used to be 4. This little salt dish. My pitcher I'm so excited about. Here's some things I got at the antique store. I got this little sifter for $2. I'm gonna use this to make bread. I got this old vintage ice cube tray to fill it with water. We don't have an ice maker, so this will be our ice cube tray. I'm so excited. And then Dylan's mom got us these super cute ice cream glasses. If you know me, you know I love ice cream, and I absolutely freaking love these glasses. And she got us a little sugar pourer. So cute. So our solar is set up, it's on, and our battery came full. And so far, we have still too much power. So that's good. Although we haven't ran a lot of stuff. We just have the internet going. We had a lamp last night, and then we used the vacuum a couple times, but it's still fully charged. You can see this is how full the battery is, 54.3 volts. And it is set so that it can't go above that because that is all the way full. And then here's how many watts we have coming in. So we have around 500 watts coming in. And that's pretty good because the sun's barely out. The sun looks like right now it's kind of cloudy. And it's only 11 a.m. So we're just trying to track it and kind of see what to expect and how much energy to expect. But our battery has stayed full, and from our calculations that a full battery should last us 2 days with the fridge running and all of our electric on. We don't have the fridge on yet. We're about to turn it on because we're gonna go grocery shopping today. So very exciting. This sucks. This scratch on my head is because I opened my car door and it swung open and hit me in the head and busted my head open. But we're at our storage and it's starting to rain, even though it's not supposed to rain. It's starting to rain, so we got literally half the stuff and quit really fast. And so we'll have to be back again to get some more things. We have a lot of stuff in there. But at least it'll be easier next time because we'll have some stuff put away. Hopefully. Moving is going pretty horribly so far. We just nothing's finished enough to put anything away. We don't have any shelves. We don't have anything to put anything away. Plus the countertops need to sit for 6 hours, and most of our stuff is all kitchen stuff that needs to be on the counter. This coming off. All right, so I feel like Harry Potter with my cut, but I just got back from the grocery store. We put all the groceries in the fridge and in the house, so I'll show you where we're at right now, but it's kind of dark, so we'll see how it goes. So the only reason we don't have lights in here yet is they're all ready to be hooked up, but we have nothing to hold them in the ceiling because we have like recessed lighting like this. So since we don't have a ceiling yet, we have nothing to hold it in there. So we're just holding off for a little bit. That's next step. But we have stuff everywhere, like usual still. And we finally have stuff on the counter. So I'm very excited to put this all together in the morning, but I put the stuff on the butcher block and it dried now for 6 hours. I'm supposed to do another coat, but since this isn't finished, and we still have to like make the butcher block even here and like fix this and make it the same height on both sides. There's still a lot to do. So I just put on one coat and we'll just use it for now. If anything goes wrong, we can always sand it down. But I'm excited to have all my things back. I have my bread ready to go, ready to make some bread. But we still have a lot of stuff to put away and a lot to do. It is on. Dun dun. Very excited. We're still at 52.9 volts in our battery, so it's still over full. So up until this point, Dylan and I have been using all of my parents' tools. All we have is literally a drill gun. So we left without all their tools. So we still need to buy a circular saw and a drill, but we've just been so busy that we haven't gotten to that yet. But that's one of the next things. I think tomorrow we're gonna try to turn the water on and get that going because it's supposed to rain, so we don't really want to leave because our driveway is so bad. But as soon as it stops raining, we're gonna get gravel for the driveway so that we don't have to worry as much about leaving and coming back because it is a big burden on us right now. So we will see. I'm ready to relax for the night. Morning 2. Harry Potter. It's perfect. Morning 2.
It's quality though.
Stuff everywhere. All right, so we've just been cleaning, putting stuff away. obviously. We were wanting to turn the water on, but we actually don't have the hot water heater all the way set up. We need to drill through the floor and through the wall to hook up the vent and the drainage. And we don't have any tools yet, and it's raining, and so we have a hard time getting in and out. So that's on hold for now. Still no water. We have water outside, but just not running in the house. But we've just been organizing and cleaning and organizing and cleaning. So this is what we're looking like so far. We got all of our stuff on the counter. The counters aren't bolted in yet, and we're gonna put some shelves up to hold some of our dishes, but we got a lot of stuff done. We're still gonna need to like make a backsplash to fill this gap and everything, but got our bookshelf up. Got our shelf up here, our shelf over here, and then we're still just trying to put stuff away with our whiny, dirty dogs. All right, today is New Year's Day, and we are just taking it slow today, enjoying the day. The sun is finally come out. It rained all night again. It's so muddy. We have a river running down our hill. Our battery has not dipped below 52 volts for a 48 volt battery. So I don't know if we super overestimated our solar or what, but so far, so good. We have plenty of power. We're slowly but surely getting everything set up. Good morning. We still have quite the mess over here. We're really just waiting to be able to go in town so we can get tools so that we can finish everything else and fix up the driveway so that we don't have to worry about it anymore. So gonna let everything start drying out, and we'll probably go in town tomorrow. It's also supposed to freeze, which would be helpful for the mud. So we'll see how that goes. Going for a hike this morning, and it rained all night. The water's so high. So right now we are living very comfortably, I'd say, except we don't have running water. So what that's like is we have a water tank outside, we have 5-gallon buckets, and we go outside and fill them up. Each one takes around 4 minutes to fill up. So anytime you want to flush the toilet, wash the dishes, wash your hair, wash your face, do anything with water, mop, dog's water, we have to go fill the buckets and get water. Obviously that's not ideal, but that's where we're at right now. We need to be able to leave. We have the muddiest driveway. We could leave if we wanted to, like in an emergency situation, but we're just choosing not to not make it worse, because next time we leave, it'll be to go get gravel so that we can fix the driveway. Once the driveway's fixed, then we will go get tools. We need a drill and a circular saw, like I said before, so that we can finish the hot water heater. We just need to put in a vent and a drip line, and then we can turn the water on. Turning the water on will be its own thing, because we need to make sure it's buried 14 inches deep in all areas, because that is the frost line in Kentucky. But we use the trencher, dug down the ditch, but the water is eroding the mud away wherever we dug out. So we need to make sure it's still covered 14 inches in all spots, because it is supposed to freeze in the upcoming weeks. It's only January, but soon enough we will get out of here and get on to some new projects. But right now we're really just enjoying our time. I made some bread today. It was so good. It was so good. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, you guys should totally follow me on Instagram, because I share a lot of more of the in-between moments on Instagram. So if you want to, follow me at Allie J Curtin. But other than that, We made some bread, we made some grilled cheese, we went for a really long hike today and just like scoped out all the land. There's so many cool projects that we want to do. We have like a waterfall where we want to make a plunge pool, and then I just have a lot of exciting things I want to do everywhere. The project list gets longer and longer and longer, but it's all super exciting stuff. I'm hoping my forehead clears up here soon. Still very tender. I'm hitting it off the car door, but everything is going swell. We're getting there.